years all my life is still trying to get that ridiculous hole for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should get a whole world man out of this brotherhood of man, for whatever that means. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I slip on top of my lungs. What's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I pray, oh my God, do I pray? I pray for every single day, forever illusion. And said, yeah, 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 yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? But 5 years of my life is still trying to get out of this particular pool for a destination.